Hey guys, in this video I will show you what 300 euros in Tenerife gets. This is pretty interesting because this apartment is actually pretty nice. I'm filming this now after being here a few days, so I will insert here our first reactions when we came here. Let's get live reaction of the apartment. You can go now.
So big. Oh my god.
Much better.
It's so good.
You got so
Guys, we have like a huge kitchen. Wow.
Ooh,
Wow.
this is actually nice.
We have like a mirror and everything.
I'm now here at the balcony. We have pretty nice views. There's the ocean and yeah. There's some mountains there. Tennis courts. I will show the pool area later, but this is the apartment. There's the guys.
Hello.
Jonas and Catalina, I think they are making some food. And yeah, okay, this is it. There's the balcony. It's pretty spacious. It's nice here. It fits just all of us here. There's the beach towels, by the way, we found them. We got 3 of those. It's nice to chill here. The sunset is like somewhere here, so it's really nice when it's sunset. Yeah, so we have pretty big sofa here. There's some pistachios there. I just ate them yesterday, and there's some space. We don't use the TV, but there's my camera stuff and computer and stuff. So it's nice to have lots of space here. It's not like luxury or anything, but we are so happy with this because there's so much space. Dining table we didn't actually have in the previous apartment, so it's nice to have this. We can work here, we can eat here, and yeah. So this is the kitchen. It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's
It's pretty nice.
good. It does the task.
It does the task. And there's the fridge. We also have washing machine here, which is pretty essential for us as we are staying long term. And bathroom is there, toilet, and this is the bedroom. It's nice. We have space for 2 here and sofa bed. There's also a sofa bed in the living room, but we thought maybe it's nicer to sleep here all together. And there's also some cabinets here. It's nice, we have space for our stuff. Okay, now the most interesting thing. What's inside our fridge? Du-du-du-du.
Maybe you should actually say we only eat vegan.
Because of you. Oh, so yeah, we are basically eating vegan right now because I'm vegan and these guys are...
So nice. We just make a wrap with some hummus and some salad and, you know, yeah, it's good. Okay.
There's also a gym here. We are not quite sure if we can actually use it, but I will check it out right now. And oh, and we have private parking actually. It's pretty nice. We have like buttons to open the gates and everything. Leon has his own space here, so that's pretty nice. He has been super happy with it. I will just finish my matcha latte and I will show the pool area after that. Okay, so I'm going to show the pool area now. It was a little bit hard to find a nice apartment here in Tenerife because we need good Wi-Fi and we need space for 3 people. And it feels like most of the apartments here are pretty old, so they didn't look so nice on Airbnb. Most of the places didn't have nice reviews, and the most common thing was the internet is so bad. And we need the internet. We wanted to find a place with like 800 to 900 euros per month for 3 of us. This was actually the only place we found that actually got nice reviews about the internet, but not anything bad. So that's why we got it, and it had lots of space and also nice reviews and looked pretty nice. So okay, I'm now at the pool area. It looks so nice. We have been chilling here a little bit already, but we need to do that more because it's so nice. It's rare we can actually just go here. They don't have anything regarding the pandemic, like rules for booking it or anything. With the other place we needed to book a time for the pool area, so this is quite nice. We can just come here and whenever we want we can work here. You can chill here, swim here. The ocean is also really close, but it's sometimes nice to just come here. So yeah, this is what 300 euros per month gets. We are paying 900 for the apartment and it's 3 of us, so that's quite cheap in Europe. I'm really happy with this apartment. That's the building. We are staying in 4th floor. There's usually just few people here, or like most of the time no one. Just like pool table and everything. And okay, I will quickly show the gym now. There's one window open, so there's some guys doing some stuff. And this we are working here, and this is the view. Like, I just love it. It's so nice to work here. So the place we are staying is in Tenerife, in Canary Islands, and the like small town we are staying is called Playa Paraíso, and we are staying close to the beach, like middle of the town, I guess. And what should we say about the town?
Everything is close. Sorry, it's not too bad. Like, no, it's actually really nice. I always mess this up, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I guess that's it for the apartment tour. We are just going now to watch the sunset and take some photos. So in conclusion, the apartment has been so nice and the Wi-Fi has been perfect. We are so happy with it, aren't we? We are, yeah.
Okay, so the next video will be about how much money I spent. Can you say it?
So the next video will be about how much money Juice spends in a day.
Yeah.
See you later.
So this is a beach really close to our apartment. It's so beautiful.